guys welcome and congratulations. We're really excited for you.
A couple years ago, I was looking for houses in the area, and I see billboards all over town, everywhere. So yeah, just decided to come in, and everybody was great, so we stayed here.
Yes.
I am, yes.
You are?
Uh-huh. When I first came in, they gave me a paper that said the 10 Commandments of buying a new home, and I followed those to a T. I would say definitely follow the advice of the realtor, whoever you talk to when you first come in, because it's been very helpful. There were
so many.
Tons, yeah. I mean, there were just little hiccups along the way from, just putting all the puzzle pieces together, and Angela was super, super helpful with everything, just smoothing everything out. She made phone calls, emails, day, night, 24 hours. She was able to contact me. And
so quick.
It was,
The response. She was wonderful.
A huge
really
help. Yeah.